So what's up, folks? What's up, family? Yes, I keep telling you, like I said, people act like they ain't never had nothing. Yes, I still got them all. I still got them all. Yeah, I still got them all. But so let me just tell y'all something. Now, it's no big secret, and I'm not trying to hide it from nobody because I don't care what nobody thinks. I have surgery coming up in January. I done ate 4 pieces of bread. Why? Why? Just why? And do I have any help? No. Listen, right here. This man right here, my husband, who's supposed to be my sponsor, my mentor, cause he hella like his body all trim, nice and thin, looking all good. Like he burned 600 calories just looking at me. Y'all think I'm lying? Look at this. Look at this. Now, y'all know this is just an average, nice little restaurant. Okay? No, I'm about to prove y'all with how many damn butters. Why did I have to have a butter for each piece? Look. 1, 2, 3. 3 butters. 3 butters, 3 pieces of bread. And the meal ain't even came. Knowing I want to eat some more, I had to get on here with y'all to keep me from picking up another piece, because my husband, he ain't helping me. Now you tell the people why you know your wife, then worked hard, y'all didn't pay for this surgery, you didn't okay this surgery, and you gonna let her eat 3 pieces of bread.
What you get when you cross a banana with a tennis shoe?
No, we not doing that.
You get a slipper.
You know what? Listen.
There he is.
How's everything going?
That's right. Look at here. This guy, listen, this guy is the
Oh, I
bomb.
thought you were talking to me.
No, you. We are. Oh, listen. He walked away.
Yeah, but
Okay.
anyway.
This man, wait a minute. Look at me. This man be fucked up. He's the owner. He be high as fuck. So he gonna come back when he find out it's our anniversary and act like he did not just have an encounter with us, okay? You guys will be our witness to this crazy shit, okay? Seriously, on some serious shit, okay? Now, I want y'all to check out the girl. And y'all didn't want to believe in me when I was doing my little journey, okay? Okay? You see what I'm saying? Hold on. Okay, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know? I'm saying.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, but wait till y'all see what I got popping now. Y'all gonna love it. I love it. It's my baby. It keep me up at night. This is my gift. It is a gift for Chris and I. You guys are going to love it. It's gonna be amazing. Because it's just gonna be something that like it's something that I guess you probably wouldn't expect, especially for me. And those of you that know me, like I'm not really a person that like the limelight. I'm not really that person. But it's like I had to share it. It's so amazing. I can't wait to share it. So I technically cannot share it until January 1st of 2022. I can make the announcement that we got something going on with you. We got something going on. Yes, we got something going on. It is our baby. It is something my husband and I have been well, nothing keeps him up at night. He gonna sleep. He gonna get his sleep. But it has kept his wife up at night. And so I wake him up with it. I have just driven everyone crazy with this baby. And I just can't wait to present it to you guys. And I really hope that you guys love it. I hope you love it. I hope you love it. 'Cause I love it.
It's good.
Happy 3 years to us, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy
Sorry, I'm over here in my feelings.
anniversary, Mr. President. Oh, it was happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. President. She was a beast, wasn't she? Show was Anna Nicole Smith. I don't care what y'all say. I love her. Rest in peace, Anna Nicole. Because she did her thing. And I don't care what nobody said. That man loved her. Okay? It ain't always about sex. Sometimes people get old and companionship is enough for them.
Right.
It's not always about sex. Like, my goodness, y'all think y'all minds don't expand past a nut. That's why half of y'all marriages and relationships be screwed up, because y'all be cheating off one little nut, get one little feeling, and now you done messed up your whole shit. Tripping. Okay? Tripping. I mean, you should have never got with it if it wasn't satisfying you in the first place. I'm just saying. Now, I'm not out there promoting premarital sex. Don't be coming for me. But I'm just saying, my grandmother told me this. I said, Nana, I'm gonna wait until I get married to have sex, Nana. Because I wanted to please my grandmother, right? She said, well, you might get something else like this. So you don't want to do that. Thank you. Yes. I was rolling. I'll put them things on. Yeah, a little more.
And then pepper for you as well?
No, thank you.
No, I just want to know. Who put them red kidney beans in their salad when you at home? Don't lie. When you at home and you make your salad, do you put these beans in your salad? Hell no. So why you gonna put this shit in my salad? And then my husband, he gonna get blue cheese. He can get the white people stuff. That's why his stuff look good. Excuse me, my white friends. I love y'all too. I don't even care. I love y'all. But y'all know some of this stuff be strange. Be strange to you too, shit. Babe. Do you love me? It's been 3 years, baby. Oh yeah, so tell the people how that goes. You tell that story, because nobody's gonna believe it.
I don't know what story.
So there's not a story to it
What story, babe?
on how our wedding anniversary is. Wait, our anniversary of being together is shorter. It's long. Wait a minute. How does that go? That's why I said just.
What you're trying to say is when I was walking down the street and you pulled over and asked me where I was walking to, and you fell in love with me because I was a bum.
You know what? Come on. Tell the truth.
So basically, what you're trying to explain is that our marriage is longer than our being together.
No, we've been together longer than we've been married.
So what are you asking me for? You see
So
how
it's like, yeah, it's like crazy, but okay, so we got married November 24th, 2018. but December the 7th, 2018 made 2 years, no, made a year of us dating, and we got married 8 months into the first year, right?
Hey, you got it. You still got it. You still know her. So
He
she
don't
gonna
too.
ask me like I'm supposed to know that.
You don't
You
know?
know what I mean? I don't know. I don't think I know. It's November the 24th. That's it. That's all I'm supposed to know, right? November the 24th.
Babe,
right?
really?
Okay, babe. What you want to know?
That's all you know is November 24th?
Yeah. December the 10th. I mean the 24th.
December the 24th, what was that?
I think it's December the 10th. Oh, no, the 24th.
What?
Amir was born on the 24th.
Amir was born on the 10th. He talking about my little baby nephew.
Now I'm talking about when we first started dating.
We first started dating. Listen, first, okay, look. Anytime you get my we go together.
Really?
Just like that comedian said, no. As soon as you start kissing all on me,
I might get in
touching all
trouble
on
when
my
I say
body,
this, but
and
shit.
we go together.
So as soon as you give up something, y'all go together just like that. Huh?
That's how it was with us. So
Be honest, you said I won.
okay, yeah, no, but I'm talking about the first time, regardless of whatever. So it was,
Oh,
it
you
was
didn't tell me I
like,
won?
so yeah, it was like the 9th or
I said you
10th.
didn't tell me I
You did, but that's not what we talking about, babe. So by the 10th of December, the day Amir was born, we were together, a couple.
won. Yes.
So December 10th of this year will make 4 years we've been in a
December the 10th.
relationship. But November 24th made 3 years we've been married. He, I think he do this shit to fuck with me. Like,
December the 10th.
he
It's
just,
like 4 years.
he just like to do shit to mess
December
with
the
me.
10th.
We're probably transitioning out of it now. I'll probably just start visiting now.
Like, who want to see their wife upset, Chris?
No, I don't.
He like to fuck with me, y'all. I'm telling you.
So nice early to reservation.
Now he know I don't like this grinded up bullshit. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but let's take a poll. Okay, so how many people like pepper that look like dust? And how many people who like, it's called coarse pepper. It's coarse, meaning like it's big pieces of pepper. Like, who wants to eat dust? So, oh wow. Okay, you guys, I'm trying to keep. You know how you try to keep your necklaces? My.
Oh my God!
Hands down. I don't care what this guy orders. His shit always better than mine. And watch my punk ass salad.
What's wrong with your salad? What's wrong with it? Don't put it like mine.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but I don't like beans in my salad. I don't like peas either. What are these, chickpeas? I mean, I know everybody's hyping up on them. I'm sorry. I need to grow up.
Lower cable, lower.
Okay, so Chris grew up in Texas. Like, he grew up with, like, horses just, probably people using horses like cars and shit.
I did what?
Remember, like, everybody learned how to shoot guns when they were like 10.
You tell she ain't from the country. You talk about shooting games. Well, they say that back home.
Say what?
What you just said. Shoot game.
No. I'm from Berkeley, California. Thank God, my city. We really technically we would have maybe 1 to 2 murders a year.
They used to get translated on it. Get hit from the back.
And I don't remember no strange shit, but for real, I didn't experience racism until I left Berkeley. And I went to move to Arizona. And that's when I experienced that real, like right in your face. It's crazy. Well, I cried like a baby when I was like 30 years old. Because I had never been treated like that. Like, you heard about it, but you just thought like that was old, it didn't really exist anymore. Or you thought like that was slavery. Woke my ass up.
Come on, man. This special brand.
For real.
And we're local.
When I found out that whites weren't the only one that didn't like us movie. And that's a whole nother video. So I'm gonna finish the salad, and then when the main course comes out, I'll invite you guys back. Okay. Goodbye, Chris. Say bye, Chris.